can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually gonna make a small little video talking about Supreme SS20, the dates we're gonna be seeing, the actual releases, when we're gonna see the preview, all that kind of stuff. I feel like I've been not talking about Supreme lately, but we are gonna cover it in today's video. I also do have a leak from Nike and Supreme, which I do want to talk about briefly. But if you do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what you would like to see in the comments below. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So like I was saying, I do have some dates that are rumored for the releases for this season. Starting off Monday, February 3rd, we are going to see the teaser. I'm going to put the little picture up here for you guys. But on Monday, the 3rd, we are supposed to see the teaser. Then the week after that, around the 10th, if I'm not mistaken, we're supposed to see the lookbook and the preview. That's when we see everything that's coming out. I am going to cover that in detail. I'm gonna probably talk about my favorite items, some of the ones which I'm not too fond of, and some of the accessories. I really do hope this season has more accessories than last season. I feel like last season we didn't see too many accessories, but the ones that we did see were pretty dope in general. For the teaser, which is February 3rd, it is rumored that we're gonna see it around 10 a.m. or something like that Eastern time. Then for the preview, we are gonna see that around 6:30 a.m., which is early as shit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna be knocked out at that time. It's rumored that the first online drop is gonna be on the 13th, which is 3 days after we get the preview, and that's like right there. It's gonna be the Thursday right after that Monday that we get the actual lookbook. That's literally less than a month from now, or like literally a month from now, and 4 days, which is the Monday following the first release in store, we are gonna see the online release. I believe that's gonna be on the 17th if I'm not mistaken. So February 3rd, we get the teaser. The 10th, we get the lookbook and the preview. The 13th is the first in-store release. Then the 17th is the first online release. The first shoe collaboration is going to be on the 27th. Since Supreme normally releases on Thursday at 11 a.m. and for the first week, it's going to release on a Monday. That same Thursday, there's not going to be a drop. It's going to be the following Thursday after that, which we are going to be seeing a shoe collaboration. Either Nike or Vans is typically what they normally do for that drop. I am excited because we are seeing a rumored Nike Air Force 1, which is gonna come out. I don't know if it's gonna come out with this design on it, but there's two different designs that we've seen so far. One of them basically has a small box logo embossed onto it. These kind of do remind me of the Rockefeller Air Force 1s, where they have the little Rockefeller logo on the bottom of it. I feel like these are simple, but low-key it's better than some of the shit that they've been doing lately. I really do appreciate these because they're not going over the top. They're keeping it real subtle, real simple and smooth, which is something that I'm honestly a fan of. I also saw another leak, which is basically a different design, where on the Nike Air Force 1s, there's like the little stripe at the bottom that says Air. Basically it says Sup instead of Air. If that's the design that they're coming with, it's kind of mediocre. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just like the embossed box logo one, it's kind of mediocre, but it has a little bit of pop to it, and it makes more sense than just literally a sup on the stripe. I honestly hope that they do both things. They put the little sup on there, put the little box logo, change the little Nike Air Force 1 emblem to say Supreme. Those little hints definitely will make this sneaker better in my opinion. I feel like resale is gonna be there regardless if it is embossed with the box logo. I do really like these in my opinion. It's just something simple, but it is one of the only leaks that we've seen for this season. I haven't seen too many honestly. We actually have another off-white Air Max 90, which is rumored to drop this upcoming summer. These are like this red habanero type looking ass color. It's like a university red, and it's right here. I kind of like this color, but I feel like he's stepping a little too far left for me. I'm definitely not gonna try and go for these, and if I do, I don't know if I'll be wearing these on my feet. I personally am a fan of the mango ones and the black ones before these right here. They're not too bad. I like the color combinations, but it's just not my cup of tea, so I'll probably leave those there. We also do have these Jordan 4 off-white in the sail colorway. These are actually hard. After the Jordan 1s, I would definitely say these Jordan 4s right here are contender, and if he does the bread ones, crazy, bro. Like, it would go dummy in my opinion. I honestly really am a fan of those. We also do have these undercover Nike Reacts right here. I feel like these are clean. It's something real simple. These kind of look like the regular sneakers that they released. It just says Jun Takahashi on it or something like that. These are cool. It's just nothing over the top or anything that's making me go crazy. I just think it's okay. It's something simple. They haven't done really something in a while, so I'm not really looking forward to this one right here. We do have the Dior Jordan 1s in the low. These shits are hard, bruh. Like, retail for these is probably gonna be another 1,200 off the hip, which means that they're gonna be like 6,000 resell, but I don't care. These are so fire with the Dior swoosh. These are crazy, bro. I love gray sneakers, and this right here is probably it for me. They kind of have this gray on it, which I really am a fan of. I love these sneakers a lot. These are the Baron ones, and I feel like they haven't done something in the gray. Dior killed it, bro. I honestly am a fan, and I'm waiting to see what they do with it. I'ma try. I just know how things go. I know how things roll, and I already know that this might go left before it goes right, but this is all that I had for you guys today. It probably is gonna be a short ass video, and I do apologize for that, but I am gonna try and get back in the rhythm of things little by little, honestly. Just trying to gear up for spring summer 2020. But that pretty much does it. Like I said before, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.